It's Eric Hammer here, the man in the hat. Here you go. So today I want to talk to you about Fiverrlicious. It's a brand new product launching from my friend Bobby Dolce and Trevor Carr. And it's going live about 2 days from the day that I'm actually recording this video. Before we get into talking about Fiverrlicious, I do want to just do a bit of housekeeping. If you are new to my channel, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere I go. And I'm actually one of the few people who can actually pull it off. I actually look good in a fedora. And over here on the channel, I actually review info products as well as software in the make money online niche so that you don't have to. And the reason I do is because, frankly, there's a lot of junk out there. And it really pissed me off to see so much junk being pushed. And I committed myself that I was only going to review stuff that's actually high quality, ethical products that can actually teach you some real methods and provide you real results online. And so that's pretty much what I do here. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified about new videos. I drop new videos almost every day, and I put up a lot of free content here on the channel. So it's really worth your while to be notified when I put up new stuff because I think you're really going to enjoy being a member of the tribe. Okay, and that said, let's go ahead and take a look at Fiverrlicious and see what it's all about. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Fiverrlicious. You can see that Bobby has a total of 959 completed orders over the past year or so, and he made just about $6,400 doing this. I have taken a look at what he's doing, and it's definitely easy to do. You can basically, there's really no work involved, and that's the nice thing about Fiverrlicious. Basically, what you're doing is called arbitrage, where he's going to show you an underground site where you can buy gigs for super cheap and then sell them over on Fiverr for a profit. And that's basically what he does. You know, buy for $1, sell it for at least $5 over and over and over again. And definitely does work. It's a great little method. I'm going to show you the members area in just a moment. Obviously, I'm not going to share all the details with you, but I will show you the members area. Before I do that, though, I want to talk about my bonuses here. Okay. There are two bonuses that are really nice bonuses here. First of all, Bobby put together a really nice training here, all about Fiverrlicious. They're all about Fiverrlicious, Fiverr. There's one big thing that I felt was missing. In order to really get started on Fiverr, you need to get your first few sales through the door and get people to actually go and buy them. And that's really hard to do at first, okay? Because people tend to look for somebody who's already got reviews. Nobody wants to be the first one to buy your gig because they're going to say, "Oh, why should I buy your gig? You know, I can buy a gig from somebody else." And you know, basically, they already have reviews. I know for sure what I'm getting. So I have actually found a really cool method for getting your first few gigs sold on Fiverr. And I'm going to share that with you in my bonus. The other thing I'm going to tell you in my bonus, actually two other things I'm going to tell you about bonus. Number one, I'm also going to be sharing with you a little hack that I learned that most people don't know about, which will actually improve your search results inside of Fiverr and on Google for your gig. Okay, very few people know about this hack. And finally, the last thing I'm going to be showing you is another website besides Fiverr that you can actually sell these gigs on for even more money than you can sell them on Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr is great. I'm going to show you another website which is similar, which is also very unknown, and that you can actually go and sell gigs on this other website and make even more money than you would by simply selling them over here on Fiverr. So it's a really cool thing, and I'm going to be sharing all that with you in my custom bonus, which I think is really important, because without it, I think you'll struggle at first to get Fiverrlicious going. With my bonus, you're going to be up and running really fast. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the members area of Fiverrlicious rather. Okay, so basically it's all a video course. It's going to teach you how to get started in Fiverr, where to outsource in order to be able to make money. And it's a really good website. I'm familiar with it myself, but a lot of people are not. It's an underground website that he found that I've already known about, but a lot of people don't know about it. Okay, and basically it's going to show you how to use Fiverr in order to really make some serious money. Now, Bobby, by the way, is an internet marketer who actually does a full-time job. Okay, this is a man that literally has no free time. Okay, I mean he is out the door early in the morning, comes home late at night, and somehow he still manages to do $100 days doing internet marketing, and he managed to earn over $6,000 as a side thing in his spare time, a couple minutes a day, doing this method that he's teaching you in Fiverrlicious. So, if he's able to do all this, then it's certainly possible for you to do it. And it's definitely a very easy method to use. Basically, like I said, you're not really doing any of the work. All you're going to be doing is selling something, buying something on one website and selling it on another website. And he's going to show you how to set it all up and which website to actually use and all the details that you're going to need in order to really make it happen. And it's very, very easy. He's also going to show you some of his gigs so you can get an idea of what to do. And he's going to make a recommendation of which particular gig is the one that's going to bring in the most money on Fiverr. So that's pretty much all there is to it. There are a few upsells here as well, which you can see if you visit my website at ericmhammer.com. I will be listing up all the upsells, mostly basically other additional methods and other materials and things of that nature. So that's pretty much all there is to talk about with Fiverrlicious. So let's see if I'm going to tip my hat to the product creator. Give a tip of my hat to Bobby and Fiverrlicious. Yes, I am going to give him a tip of my hat. There you go, Bobby. Now, that said, I have a couple of caveats. First of all, I felt like the item that I'm going to be including in my bonus really should have been included in the course, because getting started on Fiverr is the hardest part of doing something on Fiverr. And obviously, if you buy it through me, you're going to get what you need in order to actually be able to get started really quickly on Fiverr and start really scaling this thing up and making some serious money. But I kind of felt like that was a missing piece when I was going through the videos. The other thing, by the way, is speaking of videos, is I do like to see a quick start guide in a PDF form so that there's actually, you don't have to sit through videos. Not everybody likes videos. I personally, not big fan of actually watching videos. So I'm giving a tip of my hat to Bobby, and it's a nice product. Go ahead and pick it up. You'll be very happy. You're going to be able to make money, and it's super ethical and super easy to do. Just if you happen to not like watching videos, I suppose, then you're gonna struggle, because that's all there is. It's only videos. There's no quick start PDF guide. So, but overall, a good product.